Hello and welcome to this Prisma tutorial. My name is Frederick, and in this video I will explain how to create trader lists for your secondary trades. There are two ways to get to the trader list creation screen. Either during the offer creation process via the trader list selection, or via the platform settings. In the trader list section you can see all your created trader lists. Click on Create New List. First, you need to give the list a name to be able to identify it. Now you can select shippers to add to the list. Please be aware that you need to have at least 3 shippers in the list. You can either find the traders by their name, if they are published on the platform, or either their EIC to be added to the list. Once you selected all desired shippers, press Save Changes. In the overview, you now can find your newly created trader list. If you click on the arrow, you can see the details of the trader list and if it has been used in a trade in the past. And you can also edit or delete the trader list with the according icons. Please be aware that not all TSOs support the option to apply trader lists. I hope I could provide you with helpful information, but if you have any further questions regarding this topic, please do not hesitate to contact the Prisma customer care team. My name is Frederick, and I wish you a pleasant day.